show you how to use an Canva and make a amazing cover for your presentations. So I'll make a cover about Shanghai city. So first we are going to search Shanghai and find some photos for the background. And once you found it, stretch it as you want to fill up the whole page. Yeah, after doing that, get a text box and write the title of your presentation and make it bigger. And I'm going to make it bold and also white. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to stretch it a bit. And if you want, you can add effect. Yeah. So what we're going to do next is just copy the background image and make it on top of the other image. And what you could do is remove the background of the second image. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you can watch my previous video on how to remove the background without the Canva Pro. So finally you will get an image like this. So hope this helps.